Does your couch have a mysterious stain that no one in the house wants to claim? Or your car seat looks gross and you accept it like it can't go anywhere no matter how hard you try? Well, it doesn't have to be that way anymore. That's why I found the 6 best upholstery cleaners that can handle car seats, couches, chairs, and anything really. Whether it's kid chaos, pet disasters, or life being messy, these cleaners work without turning it into a full-blown science experiment. So if you're tired of pretending that stain isn't there, let's fix that. You'll find links to the best prices for all the upholstery cleaners mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these upholstery cleaners aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the CarGuys Super Cleaner. This is the best all-in-one cleaner on our list. This cleaner handles all the stains you want to get rid of. It's a one-bottle solution for everything from leather to carpet to plastic to even tree sap and bird poop. The bottle comes with a microfiber towel, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. What makes it different is the formula. It's built with newer nanotechnology, so instead of smearing dirt around, it lifts grime at the molecular level. That means you won't have any weird leftover residue and no second-round scrubbing. It's non-toxic too, so it's safe if you have pets or kids jumping around the back seat. What I like is that it doesn't try to be flashy. Just spray it, wait a second, wipe it off, and you're done. It doesn't require any rinsing or long instructions, and it's gentle enough for leather, which is rare, and the scent is clean but mild, which feels fresh. And here's what Sherry had to say, Paul. I had oil prints all over the place from when mechanics worked on my car. The said areas were a textured cloth-type feel and light gray, so the oil stains really stood out. I used this on the stains and wow, it looked brand new again. I used it everywhere. It even removed the funky smell in my car. Easy to use and removed all the stains I had from the kids. Highly recommend. Price-wise, it's around the mid-range, usually about $20 for the 18-ounce kit. But if you use my link, you may be able to grab it at even less. One heads up, it works on almost everything except glass or delicate screens. So maybe don't go spraying it on your car's touchscreen. Overall, if you're trying to keep your cleaning game simple, this one bottle does a lot. Number 5 is the 3D Upholstery and Carpet Shampoo. This is the most concentrated cleaner on our list. If you have stubborn stains that won't go or a car interior that smells like old fries, this upholstery cleaner is for you. It's a high-foaming shampoo that goes deep into fabric, pulls out all the grime, and leaves behind this fresh lemon scent that doesn't smell fake or overpowering. I love that you only need one step to clean and deodorize, and you don't need any tools either, but if you do have a drill brush or an extractor, you can go even deeper. It works on both carpet and upholstery, so it's solid for your car seats and your couch at home. It also has optical brighteners, which help bring back the original color and texture, like hitting reset on your fabric. Now, this comes in a 16-ounce bottle, and it's concentrated. You can dilute it in 5 parts water to 1 part cleaner ratio, so it lasts way longer than you'd expect. That makes it a pretty good deal. Also, it's made in the US by a company that's been in the detailing business for over 25 years. Overall, if you're serious about getting rid of smells and stains without messing around, this is one to check out. Number 4 is the Tough Stuff MultiPurpose Foam Cleaner. This is the best cleaner for households on our list. If you have random stains showing up on your couch or even your bathroom tiles, this is one of those grab-it-and-go cleaners that puts in work. It's a thick foaming spray that clings to fabric and hard surfaces, pulls dirt up to the top, and makes stuff look way less grimy without you scrubbing like crazy. What I like is how flexible it is. You can use it on fabric, carpet, vinyl, even on things like painted walls, tile, and bathroom fixtures. One covers a decent amount of space, but if you're cleaning a whole car interior or a full-size couch, you might want to grab more than one. The application's simple. Shake the can, spray a thick layer, wait 30 to 40 seconds, then wipe it off. That wait time matters, so let the foam do its job. It lifts the dirt without needing heavy scrubbing, especially for fresh stains. Just a heads up though, it's not meant for car paint or windows, so keep it off those. But for interiors and around the house, this stuff holds up well. And if you want to know the latest prices for the upholstery cleaners for cars and houses discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Bissell Professional Oxy Spot and Stain. This cleaner is best for tough stains on our list. If you've ever had that sinking feeling after spilling red wine, or you have a pet who thinks the rug is their bathroom, this one's made for those exact moments. It's designed for portable carpet cleaners and goes after the tough stuff like wine, coffee, cola, pet stains, all the usual suspects. What makes it stand out is the triple action formula. It deep cleans, gets rid of odors, and has stain protect that helps keep new messes from sticking. So you're not just cleaning, you're also adding a little protection for next time. Here's what Joseph has to say about this cleaner. It's incredibly easy to use with my portable Bissell machine, and the results are consistently outstanding. Even old set-in stains seem to disappear, and the Oxy component truly brightens the treated areas. It doesn't leave behind any sticky residue or strong chemical smells, which is a huge plus. It also smells pretty fresh, not like some fake chemical scent. And since it's biodegradable and free of heavy metals or dyes, it's safe to use around pets and kids as long as you follow the directions, of course. The bottle's 32 ounces, and you only need a small capful per tank, so it lasts a while. You'll usually find it for around $12, but there's a link in the description that might save you a few bucks. Just a heads up, though, this cleaner is made to be used with a portable carpet cleaner like the Bissell Little Green, so you'll need one of those to get the full effect. Overall, if you have a portable carpet cleaner and need something that works without wrecking your fabric or your nose, this stuff is a solid bet. Number 2 is the McGuigans Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This is the best value for money upholstery cleaner on our list. If you're dealing with stained car seats, carpet spills, or just years of buildup that's baked into your upholstery, this is something worth looking into. This cleaner has fast-acting foam that goes deep into the fabric and lifts out the dirt from the bottom up. You just spray, let it sit for a bit, scrub, then wipe, and it doesn't leave any sticky residue behind, which matters. Now, what I like is that you can choose how you want to use it. The spray lets you either hit one stain with a narrow stream or do more general cleaning with a wider mist. So it works for quick spot jobs and bigger messes. Plus, it dries pretty fast and leaves a clean, fresh smell, which is not overpowering. It's a solid deal considering how well it performs, especially if you're not ready to invest in a full extractor setup. You can also use your brush if you want something softer than the one that comes with it. Overall, if you want something that can handle everyday messes without overcomplicating the process, this one gives you a lot for what you pay. Number 1 is the Chemical Guys Nonsense Colorless and Odorless Super Cleaner. This is the best overall upholstery cleaner on our list. Now, I've seen people swear on this cleaner. It's not just for car seats. It works on vinyl, rubber, plastic, carpets, and even dashboards. In other words, if it's grimy, this thing can probably clean it. What I like is that it doesn't have any smell or color. So if you get weirded out by cleaners that leave behind that strong fake lemon scent or discolor your seats, you don't have to worry here. It's gentle on surfaces, but still goes hard on things like grease and oil. The foam action lifts dirt fast, and because it dries without leaving residue, there's no sticky mess afterward. Also, it's safe enough to use in the car and around the house, which is rare for cleaners that work. For something that covers this many surfaces and works this well, that's solid. Overall, if you're looking for a one-and-done kind of product that doesn't overpower your senses or damage your stuff, this one checks all the boxes, and that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect upholstery cleaner. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.